Do you suffer from random spinning and dizzy attacks that completely disrupt your day? This is no small thing, and it can be disastrous for those going through this roller coaster called vertigo. Now, if you're looking to get off the roller coaster without medications, you have stumbled onto the right video. I'm Dr. Colin Murray with AtlasBrainSpine.com, and today we are discussing how you can reclaim your life from vertigo naturally with NUCCA Chiropractic care. Vertigo is an intense sensation of spinning and or dizziness caused by problems in the inner ear at the brainstem and the link between the two, which is called the vestibulo-ocular reflex. Not surprisingly, vertigo can also be coupled with other conditions such as tinnitus, ear infections, ear pressure, lightheadedness, Meniere's disease, and many other conditions. Anyone can get vertigo regardless of age, and Western medicine's approach to vertigo treatment is by prescription medications. However, this approach only chases the symptoms and does not address the underlying problem. Vertigo can be caused by a few different scenarios. One of those scenarios is an infection of the inner ear that triggers improper signals in the nerve that senses movement and position. The second thing is a buildup of fluid that can change the pressure in the inner ear. The last scenario is an abnormal communication between the inner ear and the brainstem through the vestibulocochlear nerve. If we take a look at people's histories, it is very common to see some sort of head and neck trauma. When a trauma occurs, it will cause a misalignment of the first bone in the neck, commonly called the atlas. This will cause you to become prone to consistent and progressively intense episodes of vertigo because the abnormal position of the atlas disrupts the function of the brainstem. The brainstem is a vital information center in our body, and part of its job is to maintain the vestibulo-ocular reflex that we talked about earlier. When this disruption occurs, it will cause communication between the nerves of the inner ear to the brain to be interrupted, leading to consistent and progressively worsening vertigo symptoms. With that being said, there is a more prominent and permanent solution to relieving vertigo, a solution that works to correct the root cause of the vertigo, and that solution is NUCCA. By gently and precisely restoring the proper alignment of the first bone in the neck, irritation will be taken off of the brainstem, and this will allow for proper and improved communication to the inner ear as well as healing of the nerves to begin, resulting in a permanent solution to vertigo. If you are ready to take back your life from vertigo, then visit our website to schedule a free consultation with us or click on the link below. The website is AtlasBrainSpine.com. and we will find out if NUCCA Chiropractic care is going to be right for you to help to deal with your vertigo. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be alerted when our newest videos come out. I'm Dr. Colin Murray, a NUCCA chiropractor with Atlas Brain and Spine, and remember, if you can restore your brain, you will truly begin to heal your pain. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.